solving the Math GRE 9768 number 60. Number 60. So number 60 say that the S is a ring. S squared equals to S for all S belongs to S. And ask which one is correct. Okay, so the first one is S 2S equals 0. Basically, it's S plus S. To prove this, we can do S plus S squared. This is 4S squared. Basically, it's equals to 2S. Okay, so important properties that you cannot cancel to both sides, right? Because this is ring theory. So remember that you cannot do this, right? But this gives you that 4S equals to 2S. But you can do the minus. You can do the plus and minus, right? So this is 2S equals 0. So basically S plus S is 0. Okay, so the first one is correct. And the second one, you say that S squared, S plus D squared is S squared plus D squared. Okay, so the second one, this is S squared plus TS plus ST plus D squared. And at least you know that this is S plus D, right? This is from here, right? And this also is S. This is also T, right? So from here to here, okay. So I mean you don't have to remember this. You don't have to remember this, but you know that S is equal to S squared and the T is equal to T squared. So basically the second is correct. But the second give you another condition, say that TS equals to minus ST. Okay. So the third say that S is commutative. This is a tricky one, right? So it looks like that this is anti-commutative because TS equals minus ST. However, S plus S is 0, so S equals to minus S. Okay, so TS equals to ST, right? Because S equals to minus S. So commutative. So basically, the first one, second one, and the third one are all correct. This is tricky, right? So be careful that when you do a ring theory, that you cannot easily. There's no multiplication inverse, and it does not say that there's a multiplication identity. So you cannot do like you cannot just do the usual ring theory, usual integer multiplication, right? So 60, the answer is E. The answer is E. The answer is E.